What's up, guys? Zach here. Welcome back to another video. So, guys, I've downloaded. This is really a cool app. This is camera. This is called the meme soundboard. See this? It's meme soundboard. You can like those air horns thingy, like that. Can hear that 21. You can download this in Play Store, whatever you want. Or okay, so this is really awesome, guys. See example of this.
Dedicated wham.
Dedicated wham. Expose him to.
Free
Free wackadoo. And hey, that's pretty good. And this one's awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome too. Its mom gets killed.
I'm in my mom's car.
Yeah, I accidentally did that. This is a mashup. See. This one's called Loot Loot. Cute dogs, buttons, pizza. This is awesome too. Looks like sad. I'm sad now. This is sad air horn. Wait, there's some sad. I love that. Really, that's awesome. If you see that example, if you press this, it will stop. It will make it shorter. And sad air horn. That's great. I love that. That was in every movie. Shot fired.
He needs some milk. Psych. That's the wrong number. Oh shit! What up?
This is from GTA. And so anyway, guys, thanks for watching. You can download that on. So please leave a like to my channel and please subscribe to. Oh no, I will need to reformat this. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace out.